everybody. My name's Mary, and I'm the Colorado Director of Programs for Little Kids Rock. I'm really excited today to talk about body drumming and then building a junk drum set so that you can practice some beats and have some fun. So we're going to get started by playing. We're going to have everyone stand up, but I'm going to stand up and move a little bit backwards. So we're going to do some body drumming. And as you can see, we're going to be thinking about the same coordination as if we were sitting down playing a drum set, but using our bodies instead. So I'm going to back up so you can see. So we're going to start by taking our right hand, and you're going to cross it across your body onto your left shoulder. And that's going to be our hi-hats. So let's start by keeping a nice steady beat here. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nailed it. Okay, now we're going to do our shoulder, and our left hand, which can just hang out on our leg, is going to be our snare drum. So we're going to do our right hand, then both hands. Our shoulder, then both hands. 1, both, right hand, both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay, shake it out. All right. Now we're going to be using our right foot and our left hand for this next part. So same hand and our right foot. We're going to go right foot, left hand. We're going to kind of go back and forth, right, then left, right, then left, right, then left, right, then left. Okay, keep that in mind because we're going to come back to it. So let's go back to our hands up here. We were doing right, both, right, both. But now we are going to play twice as fast in our right hand while we keep the same beat and the same thing happening in our left hand. So 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Together, 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 together. So this is our heartbeat, and it's never going to change. And then we think about playing both hands together on beats 2 and 4. So I'm going to count it. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Okay, let's put that together with our foot. So we get our hands going, but then I want you to, remember we were going right foot, left hand? Now when you're going in direction of your left hand, go towards it, and then go back the other way. Then we can step, 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 step. I really like doing this because when my brain starts freaking out and it's not sure where to go, this just reminds me that my right hand's doing the same old thing while my body is just swaying back and forth, and it's nice and easy. I don't have to have any tension, anything like that. Okay, awesome.